Hello, in this video I will show you how to limit the number of quiz attempts and add additional attempts to the learner. In the quiz settings, you can set a limit of a quiz attempt from 1 to 100. If a learner reaches this limit, administrator can grant additional attempts. To do this, first open Manage Learners and Teams section, find the required learner, and open their profile. In the pop-up profile window, locate the required quiz and click Add Attempt button next to its name. After that, the additional attempt will be successfully granted to the learner, and learner will be able to take the quiz again. If notifications are enabled, the learner will receive a notification informing them that an additional attempt has been granted. You can also add an attempt through the Home Task Center from quizzes with manual review. Open the approved or rejected list, find the learner, and click Add in the All Attempts column. Now the learner can try to complete the quiz again while you maintain control over the number of available attempts. I hope this helps and good luck with your academy!